Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Sometimes untreated sewage is thrown directly into rivers. It contains food waste, detergents, microorganisms, etc. Can groundwater get polluted by sewage? How? Water contaminated with sewage may contain bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites which cause diseases like cholera, typhoid, and jaundice. The bacteria present in the faces of mammals are indicators of the quality of water. If water has these bacteria, it means that it has been contaminated by fecal matter. If such water is used by us, it can cause various infections. So, do you know hot water can also be a pollutant? This is usually water from power plants and industries. So, now here they are telling that groundwater get polluted by sewage. How? So water which contaminated with sewage may contain lots of bacteria, viruses, fungi, parasites, which can cause us diseases like cholera, typhoid, and jaundice. The bacteria present in the feces of mammals are indicators of the quality of water. Now, if water has these bacteria, it means that it has been contaminated by fecal matter. Now it is released into the rivers. It raises the temperature of the water body, adversely affecting the animals and plants living in it. So now we have the 18.8 topic, that is what is potable water and how is water purified. So let's understand first the activity 18.7 that is given in the blue box. Let us construct a water filter with simple everyday materials. Take a plastic bottle and cut it into two halves and at the center. Use the upper half as a funnel by putting it upside down in the lower half. Make layers in it with paper, napkin, or a fine cloth, followed by cotton, sand, and then gravel. Now pour dirty water through the filter and observe the filtered water. So we have to do that. We have to construct a water filter with simple everyday materials in this activity. Then we have to take a plastic bottle and then cut it into two halves at the center. We use the upper half as funnel and then the second upside down in the lower half. Make layers in it and with a paper napkin or fan cloth by cotton, sand, and given gravel. Now we have to put some dirty water through the filter and observe the filtered water. Now it's done in this activity. Now we will discuss the next topic in the next one.